Hello students, today we are moving on to the next chapter, chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. You already know or already heard the name fractions and decimals. Okay, so let us see what we are going to study in this 7th standard about fractions and decimals. That is first introduction. Introduction means what is fraction and what are the things we can do in this fraction, and all this we will see. Next is multiplication of fraction, division of fraction, and introduction of decimals, multiplication of decimal numbers, division of decimal numbers. These are the things we are going to discuss in chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. Now let us start. That is introduction of fraction. So you know what is a fraction. Fraction means fraction is a part of a whole. What it means? It's a part of a whole means, in small class you already studied, if this is a chocolate bar, if I divide it into 4 equal parts, and if I selected this, shaded this part, or I gave to somebody one part, so how much part he get? 1/4. This is a fraction. This is called a fraction. This is called a fraction. And if this is a circle, if I divide it into 4 equal parts, or if I divide into 8 equal parts, it should be equal. Okay, so if I shade it 3 parts, 3/8 is a fraction. 3/8 is a fraction. This 4 indicates how many equal parts are there, and this 1 shows how many part is shaded. Total 8 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and out of it 3 parts is shaded. And in this, what we are writing in the above the bar, this is two part is there. One is above the bar and below the bar, and this part is called, this is called a numerator, and this is denominator. That means denominator show how many equal parts, and the numerator shows how many parts we selected. Correct? Now, in fractions there are different types of fraction. The first fraction is proper fraction. In proper fraction, if the numerator is less than the denominator, then it is called a proper fraction. Numerator less than. Numerator is less than denominator. Then it is called a proper fraction. Denominator, that is proper fraction. That is, for example, 1/4 is a proper fraction. 2/3 is a proper fraction, because numerator is less than denominator. Correct? Now, the next it is improper fraction. What is improper? Improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator greater than denominator. How it is possible? Example, 7/4. 7/4 is a improper fraction. Okay, 7/4 is an improper fraction. Now, what is 7/4? A whole part is divided into, what is the denominator? That much equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 7 is to be selected. I can't select 7 from here, so I need one more. Same size. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now 7 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. Correct? So this total is called a 7/4. Now you see, this means this is whole part, the complete thing I selected. Complete means one full, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, and 3 part is selected. So I can write like this. I told this is 7/4, and also I can, the same thing I can write it written as 1 means this is the whole part. Whole part means the one complete part, and this is 3 part out of 4. 3 out of 4. So 1 3/4. So this is same as 7 by 4. That means the improper fraction 7 by 4 can be written as 1 3 by 4. This type of writing is called a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Why it is called a mixed fraction? Because it has two parts. One is whole number part. This is whole number part. Whole number part. And this is fractional part. In fraction part, you see 3 by 4. Which type of fraction? It is a proper fraction. 3 is numerator is less than denominator. This is proper fraction. A whole number part and a proper fraction. So in mixed fraction, there are two parts. One is whole number part and the other one is proper fraction. So this is called a mixed fraction. That is, an improper fraction can be written as a mixed fraction. Now, if there is a question like this, 3 by 2. How can I write this 3 by 2? This is an improper fraction. See, this is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. How can I write? How can I express in mixed fraction? To write it as mixed fraction, what I have to do? Write the numerator and then denominator. That is, numerator is to be divided with the denominator. How many times 2 in 3? 1. 1 2s are 2. What is the remainder? 1. Now, the quotient what I am getting is the whole number part and the remainder is the numerator of the proper fraction and denominator is 2. So, 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2. This is the mixed fraction. Now, another example, if it is 10 by 4, how we can write 10 by 4? 10 by 4 can be written as, that is 10 is to be divided with 4. How many times? 2. 2 4s are 8. 2. So, how can I write? The 2 by 4 is the mixed fraction. Now, same way, we can convert a mixed fraction. If we are given a 1 by 2 or a 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2. How we can convert it into improper fraction? To convert into improper fraction, what we have to do? The whole number part, that is 2 into denominator. 2 into 2 plus 1 the numerator divided by this 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. This is the improper fraction representing this mixed fraction. So one more example. If it is 2 1 by 3, can be written as 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3 is the improper fraction representing the mixed fraction. So proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. And we can express improper fraction as mixed fraction. Why it is called a mixed fraction? In mixed fraction, there will be a whole number part and a proper fraction. So, to write an improper fraction in mixed fraction, we have to divide the numerator with the denominator and write the quotient as whole number part and remainder as the numerator and the denominator. What is the divisor as denominator. And the same way, we can convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction also. So this is the conversion. Next we have, these things already we studied last year. Okay, so we are just recollecting it what we studied. The next it is equivalent fraction. You know what is the meaning equivalent fraction? Equivalent. When we are writing equivalent fraction, what is the meaning equivalent? Equivalent means equal value, same value. Okay, so let us see. If I divided this figure into two equal parts and I shaded this much part and this represent 1 by 2, correct? This is 1 by 2. Now same size and same shape, again the same thing, and dividing into 4 equal parts, and I am going to shade like this. And this represents how many equal parts are there? 4 equal parts. How many parts is shaded? 1, 2. 2 part is shaded and 4 equal parts. 2 by 4. You see, is there any difference between those two shaded portion? Is it same length, same width, everything is same? Yes, you can say. For example, if there is a chocolate bar, I divided it into 2 equal parts and one part I given to you, and the same type of means same for example, dairy milk, same size, same shape, another chocolate, I divided into 4 equal parts, and out of it 2 pieces I given to your brother. Who gets more? Is any difference between you but the thing you got and your brother? No, both will be same. So that means we can see from the figure these 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are same, equal. So this 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. The same again we can do the same like this. The same I can divide it into how much? 6 equal parts. Again I am shading this. So what the fraction? 3 by 6. Again if I do the same thing, if I divide it into 4 equal parts and shade it like this, it will represent 4 by 8. Is there any difference? No, all are same. So these are all equivalent fractions. 1 by 2 is same as that of 4 by 8. 1 by 2 is same as that of 3 by 6. So these are called the equivalent fraction. Now let us see how we can find equivalent fractions. Let us to write equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. What to do? We have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same number. To get equivalent fractions, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. If you are multiplying with 2, denominator also must be multiplied with 2. But it is 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 2, 10. 6 by 10. 3 by 5 is equal to 6 by 10. Again we can get 3 by 5. We can multiply with any number. If I am multiplying with 5, both the numerator and denominator, I will get 15 by 25. That is 3 by 5 is equivalent to 15 by 25. Okay. If I am having a number like this, that is 10 by 20. How can I get it? If I divide, also not only multiplication, I can divide also with the same number. 10 by 20 I am dividing with if I am dividing it with 2, both numerator and denominator, what I will get? 10 divided by 2 is 5, 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 10 by 20 is equivalent to 5 by 10. So to get an equivalent fraction, what to do? We can multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator with the same number. In this way we can have equivalent fractions. How many equivalent fractions we can write for a fraction? We can write infinite number of equivalent fraction because there are infinite number. So any number we can multiply. Again I can multiply with if I am multiplying with 10, we will get 3 into 10, 5 into 10, 30 by 10, 100, 50, whatever number. So there are infinite numbers. So we can multiply with. So infinite equivalent fractions we can write. So this is equivalent fraction. Next, how we can add and subtract fractions. So addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction. Let us see how we can add and subtract fractions. So let us, for example, if I add, I have to add 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. How can I add? And before adding the fraction, we have to see the denominators. If the denominators are same, the answer denominator also will be same. And just add the numerator. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 2. Why it is so? Because this is 1 by 2 means, 1 by 2 means this is 1 by 2. What is 3 by 2? 3 by 2 means this is 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. Okay. So what is total? When we add this is 1 by 2, this is 3 by 2. So when we add this, we are having 1, 2, all are of the same size. All are of the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is why we are having 4 by 2. 4 by 2. Okay. Now, if the numerator and denominators are different, what we can do? This is the case with and the same is the case with the subtraction also. In subtraction also, in place of addition, we can have a minus, subtract. Okay. And if the numerator 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, if we have to add, what we have to do? Here, what we have to do is, we have to make, here see the denominator, denominators are different. So first we have to make the denominator same. How we can make the denominator same? By finding the LCM. How to find LCM? We know last year we studied how to find LCM. We will write like this. What the number? 2, 1, 3, again 3, 1, 1. Still we are getting last when till we are getting 1, we have to do it. So LCM is 2 into 3, 6. 6 is the LCM. So 6 is the LCM. Now what we have to do is, the first fraction 1 by 2 to be written as with the denominator, what the LCM we got? 6 we got. Equivalent fraction of, that is 1 by 2 with the denominator 6. 2 into which number is 6? 2 3s are 6. So same number to be multiplied. We know equivalent fraction means multiplying both the numerator and denominator with the same number. So 2, this is we got into 3. So same we have to multiply, that is 3. Now 1 by 3. 1 by 3 also we should get a denominator 6. 3 into which number is 2. So same into 2 equal to 2. So instead of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to what we will, instead of 1 by 2 we got 3 by 6 plus instead of 1 by 3 we get 2 by 6. Now denominator is same, so same denominator, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 by 6 is the answer. And it is the same case with the subtraction also. In case of addition, you will do the subtraction, not change at all. So if, another question, if it is a number, whole number, 1 plus 1 by 2, what we will do? How we can add? How we can add 1 plus 1 by 2? One method is, okay, I will tell you. 1, we have to write 1 as 1 by 1. 1 means 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to, here denominator is 2. Can we make a denominator here also 2? Yes. How? 2 by 2. When we make it 2 by 2 is also 1 plus 1 by 2. Now the denominators are same. So answer 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 is the answer. Now if the number is 2 minus, if I am writing minus 2 minus 2 by 5, how we will do? This is equal to, 2 can be written as 2 by 1 minus 2 by 5. Here denominators are different. So find the LCM. 1 and 5 LCM. What is the LCM of 1 and 5? 1 and 5 will be, write it. If you don't know, you can write like this. 5, 1, 1. So 5 is the LCM. So 2 by 1 is equal to, denominator should be 5. How we will get 5? Into 5. Same into 5 to be do. So 2 5s are 10. Now 2 by 5 is already here 5. 5 no change. So 2 is also not be changed. So instead of 2 by 1, we will write a 2 by 1. 2 by 1 minus 2 by 5 is equal to, 2 by 1 we got to 10 by 5. 10 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 2 by 5 no change. So denominator is same. So same denominator. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 by 5 is the answer. So this is the way addition and subtraction we have. So when the denominators are different, we have to make the denominator same by finding the LCM and write the proper that is equivalent fraction for the given fractions, and subtract or divide as it is asked in the question. Okay. So now how we can arrange ascending and descending order of fraction? If the denominators are same, If the denominators are same, whose numerator is smaller, that is smaller. Okay. If the denominators are not same, we have to make the denominator same first, then arrange it in ascending and descending order. This is the first part, introduction part of this chapter. So go through it very carefully and try to do the exercise questions. Okay. Thank you.